prisoner, 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 prisoner. All right, so new song of Miley Cyrus just dropped, and it's like a baby with rock and pop. It's just amazing. Miley Cyrus and Dua Lipa. So I decided today we would do a makeup tutorial based on the makeup that Miley Cyrus has in the video, which is rock, smoky eye, a very nice makeup, which you can see right here. It's so, oh my god, I'm just like obsessed. Before we start this eye makeup tutorial, since I already have my base on, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you would want to see next, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, on beauty and other stuff like that. Bring me a bit closer. We're gonna go into the James Charles eyeshadow palette. Before going into the heavy colors, I'm gonna go into that shade just to really sketch out everything, since I have hooded eyes and I want the shape to be kind of the same that she has. For this one, I'm gonna have my eyes open and just apply it into a circular back and forth motion. It's important to sketch out where you want to go first, and then you get into the darker shades, the ones that are harder to blend. As you can see the rounded shape that we have right here, and that's what we're gonna do with a deeper color. We're gonna go into the deep browns, so this one right here. For this one, I recommend you really tapping off the excess, and then with a really precise brush, I'm using the same brush, really gonna be a bit under. You put the least amount of pressure possible, so then it's just very, very soft and the pigment just goes on really easily. And the reason why you want to put it a little bit lower than the line you placed is because then after that you can blend it up for a more blended effect, but you still want the line to stay there. And I'm placing my hand, my little pinky, on my face for some support. Put a little bit less in the inner corner, and then you start packing and blending at the outer corner of the eye to start having the shape and the look of a smoky eye. A simple makeup look, but it does take time to blend it, and the whole process just takes a while basically. For the edges, I would recommend you taking another brush, something clean, to just go very, very slightly around the edges, just like this one, and then you go and blend around the edges softly. And I'll do the other eye before I forget the technique. It's just a joke, I'm not gonna forget it, but watch this time lapse of me doing the makeup look. After that, I have to correct whatever mistakes that I did. So one side looks more like what she has, this side, and this side is more rounded. So you can fix it with a little bit of your primer. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that looks better. That looks already super cool. We're gonna take the black shade, and we have to be careful with this one because there's no going back, literally. Fluffy a brush. I'm gonna tap off all of the excess, and then we'll just pack this black shade right there. She has it in like a kind of like triangular motion, so like that. There's literally glitter everywhere on my eyes. Like, I tried to remove from the previous makeup look, but it's not working. So I'm putting my brush into a lighter color. This is called Canvas, and what it does is it really like blend it into the skin tone, and it removes any harsh edges, which is what we're here for. And then she has this black literally all under, so we're gonna put this all under. Little brush, where are you? Okay, I didn't find a clean brush, so I'm gonna take an angled brush, and I'm just really gonna place it really, really close to the lash line under, and after that we'll just blend everything together. So I feel like by putting it with this, it's just gonna be more precise, and you make sure, like, as you can see when I look at you, it does kind of like a dip. You want to avoid this, so you just want to put a little bit more in this area. And ooh, it's starting to look like one. It's starting to look like one. Oh my god. Take Mrs. Blending Brush and we blend under the lash line again. The next step is we're gonna put some shimmer, and the shimmer that she has is golden. I was thinking of going into that shade. So this one came to my mind when I saw it, because if you look, this is too light. So this for the inner corner, and this is gonna be for the eyelid, and we're gonna blend it with the black shadow too when we get to that area. And you see, it's like golden a bit, but not too much. The way she has it, it's pretty high right here, so we're gonna put it really, really high. Oh yes, it's coming to life. Bring it into the black. I bring the black into the gold, just like that. So taking the other light shade that I showed you earlier, we're just gonna place this in the inner corner to highlight everything. And you drag that shimmer across the gold, and it's gonna lighten everything, especially from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner of the eye. Next step, we're not finished with the eye. We're gonna go with a black liner, and she has a really thick liner. I'm gonna go with the Huda Beauty Life Liner on the pencil side. So I'm gonna be applying this in the waterline to have that little rocker look for a more darker look. Like this is really pitch black now. And she has a really thick line all across here, so we're just gonna place it. Since she has longer eyes than me, I'm just gonna elongate the inner corner a bit. So the eyes are all fierce and all blended. Oh my god. That looks so cool. Like living for it. That's so like rock. I'm living my high school fantasy with that makeup look. It looks really nice. So the only thing that I need to do to finish this off for the eyes is to put some mascara, and she doesn't really have any false lashes during the video, so I'm gonna keep it to natural lashes, and for that I'm gonna be using the Legit Lashes mascara from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna apply this off camera real quickly, and then I will be right back to really enhance the rest of the face like she has the lips, bronzer, everything. We're back. I think the only thing I could have done better with this eye makeup look is if I had a shimmery black, which I don't. For some reason, I don't have that in my collection. I think it's just weird, but you would have it more on point if you had some shimmer black and you would put it on top, so everything is really shimmery, which I don't really have at the moment. So it's really like a recreation, but more in a matte form, which is amazing. If not, I could use this, but the problem with this is I think oh, that works. So this is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. I'm just dipping into this is the Glow Extreme. That works really, really well. Anyway, I recommend this one. Of course, if you have the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, the glow, like the diamond powder, I sometimes just dab it on my eye, and it just adds a little bit of glow to your face, which is amazing. And now we are kind of bare. I already have my bases because I had a makeup today, and I just kept my base, and now I just retouched it, and I just put powder, and now I'm just ready to just bronze up with the butter bronzer because she has such a nice glow, and she's all bronzed up everything, and I'm really pale. I need some bronzer, so I'm just gonna be using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and placing it as a contour on my forehead and on my neck as well to just warm up everything. It's like for some reason it doesn't really pick up the pigment. Like, can you just... Bronzer is applied. It looks quite cute. I'm not gonna put too much, and I kind of smudge a bit the black, and now it's everywhere. We're gonna fix this with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. I didn't go in it in a while, but this is just so blinding, and I know that she has a really nice glow all throughout the video, so that's why I'm gonna put this, and then after that we'll spray something on our face and get back the moisture into your faces. It doesn't have much on the skin because everything is really on the eye, so that's why I'm not putting too much, just a little bit for some extra glow, which I love extra glow. And my hair is just going everywhere. I'm so sorry, this is so ugly, oh my god. Anyways, so this is it. I already put some lip liner because I was stained from my lip stain, and it kind of was weird with it. So now I only have to put my MAC lipstick, and it's going to be the Powder Kiss Lipsticks in Reverence. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's just Looks literally amazing, and I don't have blonde hair, I don't have short hair, so we're just gonna keep it like this so you can see the makeup look properly. And before we finish this little makeup tutorial, I'm gonna be applying a little bit of the Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics, and that should bring back a little bit of moisture in the skin. So that is what it is. That is the makeup tutorial for the song Prisoner of Miley Cyrus, which just came out. Go check it out. It's going to be listed down below and up here if you want to go check it out, because it is just amazing. I love the song. This is my new favorite song, and this is really my new favorite song. And I'm telling you, I'm going to keep that song on repeat and just living my best life and just like really rocking myself. Rocking it. If you like this makeup tutorial, make sure to like the video and to comment down below which part was the best for you. And if you actually liked this makeup tutorial, do you want to see more of black on my channel? Do you want to see more smoky eyes like these? Because I kind of had a lot of fun, and it's a shape that I don't normally do, which I kind of love. And I took my sweet time to blend that thing, and I keep it very, very low, so it just looks really good. With my eyes, I have a bunch of space under my brow, so that is just amazing. You could be putting some highlight on the brow, but I just kept it like this to keep it like smoky and just concentrate on this. But I will definitely do more of these shapes because it definitely suits my eyes. In a way, the way it does. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. All beauty related, sometimes fashion, skincare, hair. I did one nail, anyways, a bunch of stuff if you want. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.